so we made it to the hotel. Yeah, I am. Hopefully we can get a room.
Halo, kembali lagi bersama Bule Gembel. Yap, Toraja. Bener banget, rumah khas Toraja memang sangat ikonik. Dan beruntungnya kita berkesempatan untuk menginap di Hotel Sahid Toraja.
Selamat pagi! We arrived here late last night, as you saw, and the hotel was amazing. And you can see that. Wow, look at that! Yeah. So we're bikes loaded up and ready to hit the road, hit the Jalan, and we've got 184 kilometers to do today. 182 apparently. I stand corrected. I bet we do 184. Yeah, so we'll see you on the road. We'll show you some bits as we go. Ayan.
Akhirnya kita jalan lagi. Keindahan alam dan kopi asli Toraja memang gak ada duanya. Dari Toraja kita akan melewati Palopo dan akan melanjutkan sejauh mungkin ke arah Danau Poso. Tapi tiba-tiba ada mobil yang agak cari gara-gara nih sama Sam dengan ugal-ugalan dan juga nggak ngasih jalan. Perhatikan video berikut ini ya.
Valentino Rossi there, down in 15th place. He's about to move up the inside of Nicky Hayden, the 2006 world champion. Hayden will run out a little bit wide. Rossi can't find a way through on that powerful Tana Ducati. Rossi will finally make it stick up the inside of Hayden, down into the middle corner. This is where the championship was decided between the two of those back in 2006.
Oh, it's pretty hectic there for Valentino Rossi, trying to carve his way back through the field. There he is, 46. He lost the championship here 9 years ago. The front.
Rossi having real difficulty finding a way through on number 68, Johnny Hernandez. No way through there as they run down on the brakes. There is no Rossi, brilliantly late on the brakes. He's finally past the South American, now up into 14th place. And he's on the inside of Bautista as well. Super aggressive from Rossi. He's on the charge.
Rossi on the charge up the inside of Alvaro Bautista.
BTW, ini lagu yang lagi main di backsound ini lagu dari band Sam di Inggris loh. Band kamu apa yang namanya?
Burn the Headlines.
Burn the Headlines, yeah.
You can listen for free on Spotify and also some music videos and stuff like that on YouTube. We'll put the link in the description. don't think I got it on camera, but just been run off the road twice by some bloody idiot, and kept cutting me up. But went back and gave him a little stare. It's all good. They didn't want to go anywhere near us, so that was alright. We're just stopped for some ollie to replenish stocks. We're almost out. At this garage. Bengkel Surya Motor. Yeah. Cool. Okay, we can carry on.
Yuk lanjut lagi yuk. Nah ini masalahnya nih ya. Kalian lihat ini kayaknya jalannya bagus ya. Tapi kita tuh agak heran. Selalu aja setelah kita ngomongin kondisi jalan yang bagus, terus gak lama jalanannya habis, hilang. Jadi kita sepakat buat gak ngebahas kalau kondisi jalanannya lagi bagus gitu, kayak nahan gitu ya.
This actually got to the point where we were scared to even talk about the roads.
Yeah, we're holding it right.
Yeah. The most strange thing, every time we say, oh this road's good, we get a road just like this.
Just like this. Tuh, aneh banget gitu loh, kenapa setiap baru diomongin tuh langsung kayak gitu tuh, makanya gak tau kenapa. Kenapa ya? Pernah ngalamin gitu juga gak?
I want a piece of you in my life. Give me a piece of you for my life. I want a piece, give me a piece, honey. I want a piece, give me a piece. And I'd love to talk.
This is landslide.
Brush it off like it's no big deal to me. Girl, you know you've gone and done it again. You've gone and done it. It's messing with my head. Oh no. Girl, you know you've gone and done it again. You've gone and done it. It's messing with my head. Oh no.
Hello, Sapi. Smells like shit, tastes like shit, it is shit. Kasih. Kasih. Kasih bang.
Jadi ini sebenarnya jalan motong nih. Kalau kalian tadi lihat jalanannya macet banget, itu karena ada jembatan putus. Jadi yang motor-motor itu dialihkan ke sini lewat perkampungan gitu. Terus kalau yang mobil nggak tahu deh kemana ya.
A few moments later.
Oke deh, sekian dulu episode kali ini. Abis ini dilanjut lagi. Janji deh. Sebagai permohonan maaf karena saya ngeditnya lama, jadi ini saya kasih bonusan bloopers. See you soon on the next episode.